Make a great choice today with the 2023 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, remote engine start, power lift gate, backup camera, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.